Good morning all, welcome to this week's video. We're going to sort of have to now not complete a full project for each video because I'm going to have to do half bits and pieces of each of them. So today or this week we're going to start by doing the wall underneath the windows. I've got to put the van seal on, and then I've got to put the plywood on that I'm using as the backing board, and then eventually whatever's free and showing is going to have white gloss aluminium composite paneling on it. So there's not going to be a lot of that because a lot of it's going to be hidden, but there will be some. So the walls have got to be straight. Basically you can't really curve the paneling as I've been told because the laminate will come off. This is the wall between the window and the floor. This is the part here that I'm going to be doing along this side and also along this side. What I've got to do is, of course the wall is not straight as we all know. What I've done, I've got a piece of timber, and I know this is square now because, well, it's level anyway. And what I've done is I've had to cut a 17mm wide from here to here, and it's just 17mm plywood. Now this sitting against the side of the bus then gives me a level from the bottom to here to here. So it'll keep the paneling, which is this panel. I've got 9mm ply. I couldn't remember what size it is. So I've got 9mm ply, and that's going to sit up across here up to here. I'll show you the van liner when I go out to the back. It's out the back at the moment, so when I go out the back I'll take a video of that and show you how to do what that is. Alright guys, so this is the van sealer. So this gives me the air gap. This attaches onto the outside of the frame inside the bus. It's like a Reflectix. It's got the reflective foil on both sides with a 4mm foam in the center. So basically this just rolls up along the side of the frame inside the bus, and we stick it to the frame, and that gives our air gap between the insulation that we've done and the Reflectix, and then we put the walls on top of that. But at the moment I've cut these bits all the way along, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some liquid nails down in there and on the side and push that in against there to hold it, and the same all the way along and on the other side, and then I'll know my side panelling's nice and level. Okay guys, just a quick update for you. I've gone along and put that strip in, which was 17mm wide from the side of the bus to there, and put the panel on against it, and it's level. So I've done that all the way down that side. On this side it was different. How unusual in a bus. Anyway, I don't have to do it on this side, so I'm going to fix it straight to the wall here, and I've got the sheets. Now I've also gone and got the van sealer, and I've cut that out. I've also cut around the wheel arch for it. When it rolls out you'll see that. I just made a template up with some cardboard. There it is there. Just to go around the wheel arch and cut it out. So tomorrow when I get back into putting this van seal on, you'll see the cut on the wheel arch for down here. What I'm going to do before I finish for the day is I'm going to fix this front part of the, well, it's like Reflectix. It's not called Reflectix, but it's same sort of stuff. Van sealer. I'm going to fix that with some spray adhesive here, just some Sally's Quick Grip. Probably do it down to about here, and that way overnight it'll be nice and firm, and then I can go down, because supposedly this stuff, once you stick it, it's hard to get it back off. So I want to just get a bit done, and then that'll allow me to keep it taut when I go and put the rest on. I've sprayed the Sally's Quick Grip onto where I need to stick it on the Reflectix, and also onto the sides of the bus. It says to leave it to dry, or touch dry, between 5 and 30 minutes, and then you press them together, and that's supposed to bond them. So I've got to make sure I get it right when I bond it, so otherwise it might not be able to get it off. So that's why I've only done a little bit to start off with, and we'll go from there tomorrow. But I'll show you what it looks like once I've done it. Here's an update for you guys. I actually worked out how to do it, and I could do it by myself. So what I did is I did it in sections. What I did is I sprayed the glue per section, waited for about 5 to 10 minutes on each, pushed it, and then I moved it along and did a bit more here past the pipes, because it was a little bit fiddly around here to get it over, and did that, and then I did from here up to here, and then from there up to there, and then another one there. But it's all in now, so that'll dry overnight and be nice and firm. Alright guys, just an update. We've done the passenger side van seal on it now. As you can see, it's all glued up. I'm just going to run some silver tape along the joins on it. So now both sides are finished, we can get on to putting the plywood onto it. So there's been a bit of movement on the bus this week, which is good, because it's been a little bit quiet the following few weeks, but some good progress made. As always guys, if you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It helps us with the YouTube. And also don't forget to hit the notifications button, that way you'll get notified of any new videos. Once again, I hope you have a good week. I hope your build is going well. If you ever need a hand or information, just reach out. I'm always happy to call and chat with anybody. Alright guys, for now we'll call it quits, and we'll see you in the next video.